Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to use Spectrum Mobile internationally, roaming day pass and international rates guide. The Spectrum Mobile Unlimited Plus plans include free international roaming data across more than 215 global destinations. This coverage is built into the plan tier, eliminating the need to purchase separate daily passes or standalone global roaming packages. Unlimited Plus plan benefits. Free roaming data. High-speed roaming is included for over 215 countries at no extra charge. Data threshold. Users get up to 10 GB of high-speed data per month per line before speeds reduce. No extra passes. Unlike major carriers that require a daily $10 pass, this plan has global travel built in. Pay-as-you-go rates. If you are not on the Unlimited Plus plan, international data, calls, and texts are charged at specific destination-based rates. You can verify costs directly on the Spectrum Mobile International Service page, enter your country name, and check the plan details. Plan upgrades. Many travelers find upgrading to unlimited plans for the month of their trip more economical than paying pay-as-you-go fees. Enabling international roaming step by step. Check eligibility. Verify that your line is active and ideally on the Unlimited Plus plan tier via your online account. Toggle roaming on. Open the Spectrum mobile app or log in online. Go to settings, look for the international roaming toggle and switch it on. Configure your phone. On iOS, go to settings, then go to cellular, then go to cellular data options and switch data roaming to on. On Android, find this under settings, then connection, then mobile networks. Restart device. Reboot your device upon landing at your international destination to establish a connection with the local partner network. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.